I'm Daisy.
Hi, I'm Willa, and today our mission is to help students around Conserve School learn how to compost.
This eggshell sure was good.
I got a bone to pick.
Why?
I don't want you monkey mouth motherfucker sitting in my throne again. I'm mad.
Really? Composting is critical. As students at an environmental school, it is important to understand why composting in general is beneficial. Composting reduces food waste in landfills and therefore reduces greenhouse gas emissions. Less food waste means less garbage to ship to the landfills, which means less carbon emissions from vehicles. Also, in giving food waste proper space and oxygen to decompose, it can become wonderful, nutrient-dense soil. When food waste is not given proper oxygen access, like in a landfill, it produces large amounts of methane, a greenhouse gas, in the anaerobic breakdown process.
Here is our chart of what you can compost and what you cannot.
You can compost eggshells, also fruit peels, except for orange peels. Don't compost orange peels. Also napkins and uncooked vegetables and tea bags that are like fabric-y material and not plasticky material.
The things you can't compost that should go in the garbage are cooked foods, including vegetables, meats and bones, processed grains, such as the muffins and noodles, or bread, beans and tofu, cheese/dairy, and citrus. The orange peels have to go in the garbage, and rice.
Hey, what are we doing?
Here at Conserve School, we have a limited compost system. More than half of the year, Conserve School is covered with a thick blanket of snow, and this area experiences very low temperatures. When the ground is frozen and the air is cold, certain foods cannot decompose. The bacteria that must be present to break down more complex foods, such as meat, cannot live in the cold weather. So children, if you put something in the compost that shouldn't go there, it could disrupt our entire composting system.
So composting in the dining room differs based on the days. It's always the same except on Wasteless Wednesday, which is when you separate your compost and your trash so that we can weigh them both and get data on how much waste we're creating. So normally the bins are in the wash, but normally there's two bins, in the compost bin and the trash bin. And on Wasteless Wednesday, you're going to separate that. You're going to put trash in this one, compost in this one, and then we weigh them. But on normal days, even though this says not compostable, these are both compost. And then you're just going to put your trash in the trash bin. Okay, so once you have your two bins of trash and compost, you come over to the scale, press on, and wait for it to 0. And then we already have the weight of the bins that we subtract. So you're just going to put the bin down, check the weight, and write it here, where we have all of our waste and our compost recorded.
Hey Daisy, I'd like to ask you about our future composting system.
Great. We're so lucky here at Conserve School to have any compost system at all. However, we have a lot of work we want to do on our current system. We want to raise it off the ground so it's warmer and can be more efficient, and we also want to start adding nitrogen so we'll have wonderful, healthy soil.
To the future students of Conserve, compost responsibly, and thank you for watching.